Where's Deja?
Oh, is she giving you kisses?
Is she kissing you, Caleb? Is she kissing you? Say hi, Deja. You can say, just pet her, Caleb, and then she won't lick you.
Pet her head? Can you just pet her?
Go get her. Go get her, Caleb.
Go get her.
Go get Deja.